So regarding LLI, how does that impact time to market? Now, are there benefits with LLI as a with respect to
Okay, so it can impact time to market because it is bringing some facility of integration. Because we don't really need to bring some software to make LLI running or to process transaction, we can integrate some companionship of some modem very easily through LLI. The only software that is necessary for that is just the control of the link itself. So imagine that you want to connect a modem or a companionship to LLI. You have just to plug it through LLI, and you only to make the same software effort that if you want to incorporate the modem or the functionality of your companionship on your own die. It's not different at all. So there is no extra software to develop, etc. So it is the main advantage that LLI is making.
So not only time but engineering resources.
Yes, exactly.
Lots of development in smartphones. Obviously, that's important for LLI. Can other applications use LLI?
Out of smartphone?
Yes.
Today it is really focused for smartphone because the main target of LLI is to connect a modem with an application chip or companionship with an application chip. Now we do not investigate the way to use LLI out of a smartphone. Probably it could be, in fact, it is bringing a way to memory map to send transaction over the link in the memory map way. So I don't want to say it is as PCI Express, but we can imagine to bring some restricted system based on LLI that could bring some functionality of PCI Express.
It sounds like UniPro is the end-all be-all. How do you decide when to use it and how to use it?
Well, it depends what you need. What are the requirements? So if you need high bandwidth, you are going to look at high-speed links and what protocol is enabling you doing high-speed link. So, for example, if I have a low bandwidth, I will not use UniPro, so I will not try IF for the slim bus or something like that. If I want to be able to share several applications, and then I will use UniPro because it gives me optimization in terms of pin count and reducing the cost side of the application processor, having only one pipe to transfer this application. But also it gives me possibility to extend the capability of actual application processor. So if you know now, design cycle of application processor is, let's say, that long. I don't want to say any numbers. But you want to have an additional feature, which is, it came maybe 6 months after the application processor has been released. But you still want to be able to use this feature on a mobile phone. So you just make an additional coprocessor chip as shown in this picture. And if it requires such a high bandwidth, you can use UniPro and then be able to have this early enough and not wait until the application processor, the next generation is coming. So then you can integrate feature more early.
So more flexibility, time to market, obviously engineering.
New features.
New features. Certainly there's lots of those.
Yeah.
All right. Any other questions?
Very quick one for LLI. So the diagram showed very nice, like memory, chip 1, chip 2, and nice communication. Can you put a chip 3 on the other side as well to talk to the memory?
Yes, in fact, we can do that. And the communication between chip 1 and chip 3, in fact, is making by by putting transactions through chip 2, but it will be through the interconnect of chip 2. So you will have an interconnect in chip 2, two LLI to communicate with chip 1 and chip 3, and it is the interconnect of chip 2 that is making the link, in fact.
Thank you.
Any other questions?